Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn edit tool and select tool. Okay, first I will tell you how to use select tool in eTab. Okay, first I will give you some introduction about select tool. The select tools are used to select our beam columns, particularly for assigning the loads on different members. For example, beam column. Okay, so defining loads for a particular member, we have to select that particular member only, because there are difference in the loads sometimes for different sections of beams and columns. Okay, then next is deselect tool. Deselect tool is uh, unlike to select tool. Okay, I will directly show you in eTab software. So next we are going to learn is edit tool. Okay, the edit tool includes replicate, this linear, radial, mirror or story. Okay, and replicate in linear way, in radial way, you can also mirror it. And next is replicate in stories. Okay, replicate is nothing but copy paste or creating in multiple times. Okay, then next is extrude. Extrude is extrude point to frame or cables, extrude lines to area, extrude area to solid. Okay, extrude tools are going to use for extrusion purpose. Okay, for joints and frame shells. Okay, I will tell you how to use. See here how it looks. Replicate and extrude for frame and shells. Then next is merge tool. Merge tool is used to merge two points uh, connecting at a point. For example, two beams are coming in same direction, so I'm going to merge it and making it a one continuous beam. Okay, next is merge joint, is similar to merge. Okay, then align joint. If you want to align some joints in your frame, then you can align it for xyz direction or to the nearest frame or edge where you want to. Okay, then next is move joints. Sometimes you need to move your joints or points for creation of new column beam or change in distance. Okay, that time you have to move your joints in xyz direction. Okay, you can mention only your direction in xyz directions. Okay, and the distance, you put your distance and move it. The next is edit frame. Similarly, you edit your frame or any purpose. That, for example, you need to change in your plan or sometimes change in architectural plan, then you need to edit your model, then you can use edit frame. Next is edit shell. Okay, once you edited your frame, then you have to change your shells. Okay, sometimes one way beam is converted into two way, or two way beam is converted into one way. That time you have to edit it. Okay, here you can see edit shells. Okay, I will show you in software. Here, hope you find my previous video how to create and how to make a model in our eTab. So in this video I will tell you how to use select and edit tool. Here is a select tool and here is edit tool. First I will show you select tool. Okay, come to select, then select first. And then simple option is to use object type. There are different types also available to select. If you want to select joint, click on simply select. Here you can see the joints are getting selected. Okay, Unlike to select, click on deselect, it will be deselect. Then if you want to select all the columns in one click, just click on select. Here you can see the dotted lines represents the selection. Okay, then I am going to select it and make beam select and braces select. Okay, simultaneously you can select two things also. Okay, select, beams are getting selected, then deselect. Okay, there are different options are available for your different members. Okay, close it. Then next type is properties also are available. Then material properties. In material properties you can select material wise. Okay, for example I'm going to use M30 and select, then all the M30 material is getting selected. Okay, similarly for M20. Okay, then next is label group stories. Okay, you can select stories story wise also. For example story 1 select, here you can see story 1 is getting selected. Okay, for base also, base is getting selected. Okay, hope you understand till here. Then next is going to we learn is edit tool. Okay, in edit tool, as you click on edit tool, you can see you can edit grid story. Okay, then you can add a grid lines at a selected joint. For example, if you selected these joints, you can add. Okay, I am on plane 1, that's why it is selected as plane 1, plan view 1, story 1, joints is getting selected. Okay, then next is grid options are available. Okay, in edit, first I will show you replicate. Okay, if you want to replicate whatever you want, okay, first you have to select whatever you want to replicate. Okay, and keep in your mind the directions of x and y direction and z direction. Okay, first I will select this. Okay, here you can see, then I'm going to replicate it in linear way. So the x, that means x direction, so I don't want in x, I want in y direction. Okay, y, enter, and number one, and if you want to pick 2 points on model, delete original option, there are different options are available. Okay, you can apply here. Okay, you can see how it is replicated. Okay, similarly I am going to make it in x direction to show you how to replicate it. Okay, in -5, if I have make it +5, then it will be overlap on my previous beam, that's why I have put -5. Okay, if I am going to make it is, okay, I will select another. Okay, I'm going to make it is in -5 also, make it 0, apply. Okay, okay, you understand how it is replicated. Okay, I'm going to make joint it, this is the joints. Okay, I'm going to join it with column beam. Okay, it is depend on your selection. So I have selected only columns and two beams, that's why it is replicated only two. For example, I have again selected it, replicate in y direction, this -5. Okay, in this direction, so make it is 1, apply. Okay, see, it's replicated. in a radial way also you can replicate it. First I will delete it so the area will not be congested to create. Okay, and I will draw 2 points to show you. Okay, first one is here and the next one is, and I'm going to take column extensions for exact purpose, exact location purpose. Then I can draw one column beam. Okay, then I'm going to select this. Okay. Then you can mirror it or store it. Styles radial, angle is 90. Okay, if you want to specify the meters in distance, you can specify it. First I will tell you center. Okay, then angle is 90. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. Just simply I am going to show you. Apply. It is rotate in radial. If you select this again or select this and specify this with 4 meter and minus 4 meter, 5 meter, 90 degree. I'm going to make it 105. Apply. See how it is in 105 degree. Okay, and then next is mirror. If you want to mirror it, first I will delete this point so congestion between our previous drawing is less. I have already points. Then I will make it mirror only. First I will select this. Otherwise I will show you how to make mirror to created points. Okay, that's why I'm going to create. Okay, and draw. Last point. Okay, I'm going to first delete this. The next point I'm going to tell you, but first I will draw it. Here is option also to move, but move point is next, so I don't want to reveal this while showing the replicate option. Okay, first I will show you a replicate, then I will show you move. Okay, I'm going to mirror it in x direction. If you want in z direction, okay, first I will show you how to use 2 points on model. First point, second point. Okay, the points I am getting. See, once you go on apply, it will show you your mirror. So I'm going to change some -8. Here you can see changes, and here is -5, in x -2, here also -2. Okay, this is mirror. Okay, hope you guys understood how to use mirror. Take this. there is another option also to mirror this. Yeah, that option I will show you. Select, okay, then give the points. It's 2, 4, 3, and 5. Come to apply. This is mirrored at this direction. Okay, hope you guys understood. Next one is story. Okay, I'm going to make this for all the stories. Okay, so come to edit, replicate, come story, select first, and replicating story, which story you want to replicate. You will ask for their story. So it's already one story, so I'm going to select in 4, 3, apply. You can see in 3D. Okay, select shift and click on your scroll and see how it is looks in all the story. It will replicate it for your 4 stories. Okay, I'm going to delete. Okay, close it. First I delete so confusion is less. See, then our next point is to extrude joints to frame, extrude shells. We come to this. Okay, and here is also extrude is available. Okay, and here also extrude frame. You can extrude in whatever direction. Okay, first I am going to select. Selection is must. Without selection you cannot extrude anything. Extrude frame, extrude joints to frame. First option is extrude joint to frame. Okay, where you want to extrude. Okay, in X direction you want to be 5. Okay. The numbers it will ask. Okay, it is extruded in this direction as -5. Okay, hope you guys understood how to extrude. Come and refresh here. Okay, here also you come refresh. Okay, then I'm going to make this in Z direction. Okay, I'm going to select in Z direction. It's 1, simply for visible in our screen. That's why I put it 1. Okay, you can see the bend, 1 meter bend is in upside direction. The Z direction is our upside, so it will be in Z direction. Okay, similarly for radial also it is available. Okay, first I will show you, otherwise I will show you on our frame. Okay, I have selected radial extra 1 and 1 angle is 90. Number you can use 1. Cups if you want, then otherwise it will not required. Okay, here you can see the radial extrusion is done in 90 degree. It is rotated in 90 degree. Okay, hope you guys understood how to extrude